Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to live stream session conducted by Team Axiom. My name is Sushil and I'm going to welcome you guys for the live stream session on data analysis. As you know, data analysis is a branch of data analytics. Means to generate various innovative ideas on the basis of data or to achieve certain objectives. We will be performing various tasks with the data, and on the head of that operations of on the data, it termed as a data analytics, and data analysis is one of the branch of it. In today's session with Team Axiom, we are going to explain you how the data analysis can be performed, what are the various tools we can use to perform the data analysis, what, why, and how that all the tools can be used that we are going to demonstrate. Certainly, this session will become more productive for you if you are attending lively or physically this session. As we all know, to produce any product or the service, we need to identify the need. We need to resolve that all the problems getting to the consumers, getting to the supply chain, and many more. And then only that product and service can be get the better results and they can be successful to achieve all the objectives. As in this forum, we form three teams. As we know, food, shelter, and the garments. These are the three basic universal requirement and primary requirement, as I can say, of every individual. So if you able to produce any product or the service related to the food industry, whether it's a food delivery app, cloud kitchen, or any restaurants, coffee house, whatever, it comes under the category of food. If you are talking about the shelter, maybe you are come up with a real estate agent or you are developing a product or the app related to serving the people, what kind of infrastructure is available for sell or the rent or lease, whatever. And in the garments, if you can come up with a online selling solutions or physically showrooms or make the garments available as per the user's need, as per the budget, as per the quality on their doorstep, probably you'll be at the earliest you can be a successful entrepreneur. So I had given a task to the team to divide themselves what kind of product and services they can develop on the basis of these basic primary needs of assuming the consumer. For that reason, ask them to collect the data of top 10 service providers or the product owners related to that industry. Collect all the possible data. Study them well. My suggestion is, before developing any kind of product and service, we need to firstly find out the role model. If you want to be successful, firstly you find out the role model of yours. Try to find out, seek all the abilities, capabilities, and how he or she can develop that abilities in it. Try to replicate them and then develop your own unique selling potential, sort of. So that is the basic algorithm to be successful in any innovative ideas you are developing in the product development or business development. So coming back to the data analysis, first of all, you need to learn how we can collect, capture, accumulate all the possible data. As we all know, data is available everywhere else. Everything is data. So you should have the ability to capture that data. That data may be available in the text format. That data may be available in the audio format. That data may be available in the video format. That data may be available in any format. So before developing, generating any ideas, before performing any operations on the data, first of all, you should have an ample availability of data, and for that reason you should use all the tools, techniques, applications to capture, to collect, accumulate all the data which is available in all the forms. After that, you should be working on the data cleaning techniques, because all the data may be available in the bulk format, may not be useful enough at that moment for that particular objectives. So you should have a data cleaning mechanism available to clean that data, right? If the data is now available in the 1 lakh, maybe you can filter it out for the 10,000 and maybe 1,000 and maybe 100, sort of like so. The clear, clean data which you can target directly for the specific objectives, that cleaning mechanism has to be there. So data collecting, data cleaning, clustering, you can able to form the clusters, collect with a specific entity, collect with a specific under specific title, that belongs to this city, belongs to that region, belongs to particular date, whatever. Like so, you can able to accumulate, collect, cluster that data on the basis of certain criteria, right? You can able to filter out by adding various filters, conditional criterias for listing out the data. So cleaning, clustering, filtering, collecting, these are the, and there are many more. We'll be discussing these all the techniques which we are going to perform on the data, so that it will help us out to extract out innovative ideas required for any business innovations. As you all know, we get all the ideas, but that all ideas, after getting all the ideas, we need to convert into the reality. We need to plan the strategy for it. So before anything else, the technique has to be you need to collect the ample data. In layman term, it's a play with the data so that you will get some ideas out of it. You want to get just like to be a successful business person, you should be in the collab in the with the with these all the business owners, their thought process, their mindset, their way of telling. You need to learn, you need to understand, you need to adopt. In the similar manner, if you want to be, if someone want to develop any product or the service related to anything else, you need to be part of it. You need to deal with the data. You need to seek the data. And that data will give you that unique selling potential, that innovative idea, right? So for that reason, first of all, you have to make a what the things are available, what the things are need, how we can resolve that problem, which is because obviously it's a solution you are recommending, you are presenting, you are providing. So that innovative idea to develop that solutions comes from this data analysis. So I divide the entire team into three groups, which are producing the products and the services related to the food, garments, and the shelter, that is real estate. They had developed they develop a plan to provide the product and the services, and they had given the presentation to the investors. And on the basis of their presentations, investors are ready to provide them the 10 lakhs rupees initially at the seed level. So this team will give us the presentation on how they can utilize this 10 lakhs, what are the techniques they will be using to perform that into the actions, so that they can able to produce the product and the service successfully, and able to generate the revenue, and able to provide the returns as per their expectations to the investors, so that they can invest more and they can scale up the services more. So these are all the stuff we are going to discuss with the team Axiom. I had given you the glimpses what will be the agenda of this session. I'll be handing this session to team Axiom now. After their presentations about data analysis, what they understand about the data analysis, what are the techniques they learn, they adopt, how they pitch to the investor, how they gain the money, how they are going to invest, what kind of product and service they are going to produce. You'll get the answers of all this in these today's presentations. Over to team Axiom.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's live session where we are diving into one of the most important and powerful drivers of modern business success, data analysis for business innovation. In this session, we will dive deep into the importance of data analysis in various industries and how it plays a critical role in driving business innovation. We will explore definitions, real life applications, tools used, and the pros and cons of using data for strategic decisions. Let's begin by understanding the concept of data analysis and why it has become the backbone of modern business. In the modern business landscape, data is everywhere, generated through transactions, customer feedback, market research, and social media interactions. Companies, whether small or large, are now relying on data analysis to make decisions that are not just reactive but proactive. From restaurants planning menus based on customer reviews, to real estate companies assessing pricing trends, to garment brands tracking fashion preferences, data is helping them to operate more efficiently and connect better with their customers. We are now we are no longer guessing, we are strategizing. based on facts. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of turning raw data into meaningful insights. It starts with collecting data, followed by cleaning and organizing it, then analyzing patterns using statistical and computational techniques. This process allows businesses to extract useful information, understand their environment, and support decision making. It combines statistical methods, programming tools, and industry knowledge to model scenarios, test hypotheses, and forecast outcomes. Ultimately, it bridges the gap between data and decisions. Now, why should you care about data analysis when it comes to innovation? Because without it, you are not innovating, you are just guessing. Innovation is fueled by insights, and insights comes from data. By analyzing customer behavior, companies can tailor products that meet real needs. Market trends helps in identifying new opportunities for growth. Operational data helps streamline processes, reduce waste, and improve product quality. Predictive analytics lets marketers target right audience with personalized messages. All these outcomes are possible because data analysis provides a clear evidence based view of what happening and what could happen next. Alright everyone, let's dive deep into the real magic behind modern business decisions, that is data analysis. Think about running a business like navigating a ship in the ocean. The sea is full of opportunities but also full of risk, such as storms, waves, hidden rocks. Now, imagine sailing without a compass, map, or radar is risky, right? That's where data analysis comes in. It's your business navigation system. It tells you where are you, where the market is going, and how to avoid costly mistakes. Whether you are launching a product or managing inventory, data guides every move with clarity. The process typically begins with data collection from various sources, customer surveys, POS systems, IoT sensors, CRM tools, and more. Next comes cleaning, removing duplicate entries, collecting consistencies, and dealing with missing values. Exploratory data analysis involves summarizing the data using graphs, charts, and statistics to uncover initial patterns. Modeling takes these patterns and applies statistical or modern or machine learning models to predict outcomes like customer churns or next month's revenue. Finally, insights from data analysis inform strategies and help leaders to make confident and data backed decisions. Let's break down these tools used into categories. First one is data cleaning. Excel and OpenRefine helps in identifying errors, while Python's Pandas library automates cleaning tasks. Next one is visualization. TableView and Power BI allows non-technical users to create interactive dashboards. Google Data Studio is free and cloud-based option. Statistical analysis. R and Python are used for data or used for deep statistical modeling. SPSS is used often in social sciences and businesses. Then business intelligence. Tools like Power BI and QuickView brings all data for execution dashboards and high-level insights. Database management. SQL and MySQL, PostgreSQL helps query structured data from relational databases. Predictive analytics. Scikit-learn in Python and RapidMiner are used for creating models that predict future outcomes from historical data. Here are the key advantages. Better decision making with evidence based insights, businesses make smarter and faster choices. Then, cost saving by streamlining processes and reducing waste. Also, we have customer satisfaction. Tailored products and services increase customer loyalty. Then competitive edge. Businesses stay ahead of trends and adapt quickly. Forecasting. Accurately plan for future demands or financial performance. Then innovation. Identify in unmet needs and develop new products or services that fulfill them. Despite the benefits, there are some limitations. Skilled professionals are required to analyze and interpret data correctly. Tools and infrastructure may involve high initial costs. Then poor handling of data can lead privacy issues and legal problems. If the data is biased or incomplete, the insights derived may be misleading. Incorrect analysis can result in bad decisions, causing financial and reputational damage. So stay tuned and watch closely. This is where data analysis comes to life. Over to my team member. Imagine.
Imagine knowing exactly what your customer crave before they even walk through the door. That's the power of data analysis in the food business. In the food industry, data analysis help predict demand to prevent overproduction or shortage. Restaurant use sales data to identify top selling dishes by time or season and feedback from reviews or surveys to improve menus. It also helps track ingredient uses, optimize inventory, and reduce waste. Additionally, pricing and sales data guide strategic promotion to boost revenue. I'm here to present a comprehensive and realistic business plan for a traditional Maharashtrian food venture that I'm deeply passionate about. This business is built not just a number but on culture, flavor, local demands, and affordability, serving healthy and authentic home cooked meal to working professionals, students, and families. I have a yearly budget of 10 lakh for this venture. Out of this, I have firmly decided to reserve 3 lakh as a saving for emergency needs, reinvestment or future expansion. That leaves us with rupees 7 lakh of active working capital, which we will use strategically to set up and run the business over 12 months. The meal we plan to serve are simple, rooted in traditional and full of nutritional value. Our daily menu will include items like झुणका भाकर, ठेचा, dal chawal, sabji roti, achar and papad. We will also have mini meals, basic thali and even non-veg biryanis and thalis on special days like Sunday. Now, let me talk you through the financial. To begin with a one-time investment of around 1.995 lakh will cover essential kitchen setup, utensils, cooking appliance, bulk storage, branding, packaging, and registration costs like FSSAI. This will allow us to run our operation with semi-commercial efficiency from a home-based or a small rented kitchen. Every month, we will need around 61,000 to 65,000 to operate smoothly. This includes the cost of raw material, vegetable, groceries, spices, gas, electricity, packaging, and the salary for a cook and a helper. Now let's talk about what we earn. If we serve just 60 plates per day at an average price of rupees 70 per plate, we are looking at a monthly income of 1.2 to 1.5 lakhs. After deducting our monthly expenses, we are left with a net profit of around 33,000 to 37,000 per month. Over the year, that result in an annual profit of up to 4.5 lakh, while still maintaining our saving of rupees 3 lakh. In terms of menu, variety, and pricing, we have built operation to suit different needs. A mini meal with just jhunka bhakar and thecha for rupees 40. A basic thali including dal, rice, sabzi roti and achar at rupees 55. A deluxe thali with all addition papad, bhakar, thecha for rupees 70 to 80. We will also offer mini thalis at rupees 30 and introduce non-veg options like biryani and thalis on Sunday or special day priced between rupees 80 and 140. To boost visibility and reach, we have allocated 50,000 for marketing. We will use WhatsApp groups for daily menu updates, Instagram and Facebook for visual content, reviews, and reels like food blogging, posters and flyers in PG, local stores, and offices, and referral discount to encourage word of mouth growth. Now, here is an important point. To further scale and streamline delivery, we plan to partner with Swiggy and Zomato, India's leading food delivery platforms. This will move up help us reach a wider audience beyond walk-ins or local WhatsApp groups, offer seamless delivery to homes and offices, increase order volume during peak hours, especially evening and weekends. Although Swiggy and Zomato charge a commission, their exposure and customer trust make it smart investment for long-term growth. I have also planned for digital UPI payment methods for ease and speed will register with FSSCI to maintain hygiene credibility. We will consider GST only if our revenue cross rupees 20 lakhs a year. In conclusion, this is a sustainable and scalable business built with cultural pride and financial discipline. With just rupees 7 lakh in active use and 2 months to break even, we can achieve 4 to 5.5 lakh in annual profit. And the best part, this is just the beginning. With the food feedback, consistency, and trust, we can expand our reach to offices, hostels, and even delivery aggregators in the future. Thank you so much for listening. I truly believe that good food brings people together. And with your support, we will serve not just meal but moment of satisfaction and tradition every single day. That conclude my strategy for data-driven growth in the food industry. With the right insight and innovation, we are confident in delivering both customer satisfaction and business results within the next year. Now, let's shift gears and explore how data analysis is transforming another high impact sector like real estate. To walk you through that, I would like to invite my team member to take over. Over to you.
What if you could predict property prices, buyers' behavior, and market shifts all before your competitors? That's the game changing edge data analysis. In real estate, data analysis helps predict property value by evaluating locations, amenities, and market trends. It reveals which property types are in demand through demographic insight and buyer preference. Firms also assess traffic, school, and infrastructure to gauge property appeal. Additionally, data helps detect fraud and unusual listing, boosting buyers' trust and making property transaction more efficient. The real estate market is evolving fast, and with 10 lakh allocated to our project for 1 year, our goal is clear: leverage data analysis to unlock smarter, faster, and more secure real estate transactions. We are not just talking about selling properties, we are talking about selling the right properties at the right time to the right people. With the support of this investment, we will use predictive analytics to forecast pricing trend, study buyer demographic and behavior to refine targeting, optimize marketing and property listing based on location-based data, and most importantly, detect fraud and minimize risk in transaction. This is our chance to bring precision, trust, and speed into the real estate game, all powered by the right data. Let's get into the plan. To effectively utilize the 10 lakh investment over the course of 1 year, we have designed a strategic budget allocation focused on building a strong foundation, driving user engagement, and establishing early transactions. First, 25% of the budget, 2.5 lakh, will be allocated to a platform development, which includes hiring a freelance developer or a small agency to build a minimum viable product with essential features like user login, property listing, search filters, and contact forms, along with an optional admin dashboard. Next 15%, 1.5 lakh, will be invested in data collection and analytics, enabling us to deploy property scrapping tools, integrate APIs, build dashboard in Excel or Power BI, and hire a freelance analyst to clean and interpret the data. The largest portion, 30%, 3 lakhs, is dedicated to marketing and branding activities, such as running targeted campaigns on social media and Google Ads, developing real estate report for lead generation, creating a compiling brand identity, and securing a verified Google My Business listing. Another 20%, 2 lakh will support operation and field team, hiring 1 to intern or a part-time agent to gather local property data, contact brokers, conduct follow-ups, and support site visits. We will also provide small initiative or commission to boost performance for compliances and legitimacy. 5%, that is 50,000, is allocated towards legal registration such as forming a business entity, sole proprietorship, LLP or private limited, securing GST and RERA registration, and preparing legal documents like NDAs and partner agreement. Finally, a 5% reserve, 50,000, will be kept as an emergency to cover unexpected costs such as server issue or advertising spike. With this structure plan, our 1 year objective include building and launching the MVP platform, onboarding 50-100 verified property listing in a single city, reaching 1,000 plus monthly visitors, and generating 10-25 successful property transaction or lead. We will also focus on developing case studies, gathering user feedback, and establishing a basic but promising revenue stream, all of which will strengthen our case for further investment and expansion. This budget isn't just an expense plan, it's a blueprint for launching a data driven, scalable, and impactful real estate business. Thank you for your attention. As you have seen, the real estate sector is no longer just about location, it's about information. With a strong foundation of data, we are building smarter, safer, and more successful property experience. Now, let's move into a world of creativity and commerce, the garment industry, to share how fashion business are using data to stay ahead of trend and meet customer demand. I will hand it over to my teammate. The floor is yours.
In the fast-paced world of fashion, trends change overnight, and with data analysis, garment businesses can stay ahead of curve instead of chasing it. In the garment industry, data analysis helps fashion brands track online shopping behavior and social media trends to design and launch the right product. Historical sales data is used to forecast seasonal demand and streamline production. It also improves inventory management by reducing unsold stock and ensuring popular sizes are available. Additionally, personalized product recommendations based on customer behavior boost sales and customer satisfaction. Thank you all for giving me here today. I am excited to present 1 year growth plan for the garment businesses supported by 10 lakh investment. Fashion today is no longer driven just by creativity. It is powered by insights. In a world where trends change every week, the brand that win the one that can be predict, produce and personalize all through data. Here, how we plan to use the investment. First, analyze fashion trends and buying behavior to launch winning collections. Forecast seasonal demand to avoid overstock and understock situations. Personalize the online shopping experience for every customer and streamline inventory with real-time sales tracking. With this data back approach, we do not just hope or design sales. We know they will. Let's walk through the designs details of innovation strategy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my 1 year business plan for launching a garment businesses with a total investment of 10 lakhs. These businesses is designs for the digital era, combining productions, branding, and online sales with a clear focus on building profitable and sustainable brand. Let me walk you through exactly how its 10 lakh will be utilized and how each part of the budget will help us to grow the business over the next 12 months. We start with the website and online store with an allocation of 2 lakh rupees. This will be used for build a professional mobile friendly and e-commerce website either on Shopify or WooCommerce. It will be include our product catalog, payment gateway and customer management tools. The website will serve as our primary digital storefront, active 24/7 selling of customer across India. Next is one of the most important areas, marketing and production. With a combined budget of 2 lakh rupees, a portion of will towards the garment production include raw materials, fabric, trims, and tailoring for sourcing a cost. The rest will be fuel digital marketing, running ads on Instagram, Facebook, and Google, working with influencers by creating a video content and campaigning to drive sales and brand awareness. Then we have a staff salaries 1.5 lakhs set aside for the 3 months. We have to hire 2 3 people including tailor, stitching assistant, and packager, and a digital support staffer member. This team will handle operation like stitching, order dispatch, and customer communications, allowing smooth day-to-day functioning from day one. We are also investing 1.5 lakh in machinery and equipment. This includes swaying machines, interlock and overlock machines, cutting tables, and tools for finishing garments. This small scale setup will help us control a product quality, speed of turnaround times, and even launch our own custom designs. For branding and packaging, we are also investing 1.5 lakhs. This includes designs of brands, identity, logo, color, and theme, and creating high quality packaging like custom boxes, tags, stickers, and thank you note. We also include a product photography, short videos, and content creation to build a strong image online. First impressions matter, and branding will be help earn customer trust and repeat sales. To stay a complaint and legal protected, we also allocating 5 lakhs legal expenses. This includes GST registration, MSME certifications, trademark filing, or our brand, and some office registration tools like software, internet, and printing setup. Exactly, we are keeping 1 lakh as an emergency and reverse fund. This, this gives us flexibility to handle unaccepted costs like sudden machinery repairs, marketing boost, or last minute stock order. It also ensures the businesses never pause due to the short term cash gap. With this plan, we aim to achieve a monthly sales like 2 to 3 lakhs within 6 months, maintain healthy profit margin 25 to 35%, and reach break even in this less one of year. This is not just a business plan, it is a blueprint for digital first, quality driven garments brand, one that combines the power of online sales, creative branding, and in house control to build up profitable and scalable businesses. And the wrap up over a roadmap for innovation in the garment industry. With the right data, we can predict that the next in fashion and deliver it with precision and personal touch. On behalf of all three sectors, food, real estate, and garments, we thank you for your time and interest. Now, as we come through the conclusion of our presentation, let's take a moment reflect on the key insights and road ahead for each industry. In the conclusion, data analysis is the cornerstone of a business innovation today. It gives businesses with the power of understand markets, optimize operations, delight customer, and make a smart decision while challenging like cost, privacy, and data quality exist. The advantages of outweigh them sector such as a food, real estate, and fashions are already seeing transformational result through data. As we move forward, embarrassing data analysis will not be just an opinion, it will be essential for survival and growth. Thank you for the engaging discussion. As discussed earlier, my team members are now ready to take over the demonstrate how to work with Excel, MySQL, and Google Form. But that is not all. They all also walk through the how these tools are used in real world data connection, storage, and analysis.
Let's start with the demonstration. First of all, I will uh, share my screen. Hmm. In this demonstration, I will walk you through how efficiently use three essential tools, which were Microsoft Excel, MySQL, and Google Form. These tools are the backbone of data collection, storage, and analysis in many real-world businesses. We will start by showing how to create and use Google Forms for collecting customer or market data. Then we will move on how that data can be stored and structured using MySQL, a powerful relational database system. And finally, we will show how to analyze and visualize this data using Excel to uncover instincts guide guided decision making. So let's bring the demo and bring the data journey to life. First of all, we will start with how to create a Google form. For that, we will go to our Chrome. After that, you will go on the Google Apps. First of all, I will start. Um, this will our Chrome, and after that we will go to Google Apps. Here we scroll down and select form. A tab will be open with the Google form. Here you can select templates as per your choice. I will select a blank form. Here you can add your title of a form. Let's suppose I will create a form for a real estate business. For that I will uh, and uh, give the title of my Google form, such suppose real real estate, and you will give the description here. After that, we will add a field like first of all I want the name of company, name of of company company. Select a field like a short answer. I want company name as a short answer. Then let's move and add one more field here like owner name, and you can select a short answer. uh, like that you can create more fields like uh, date where when the company will be started, or a multiple choice question, or a checkbox answers where you want to select more answers, and after that you want to publish this using this publish button. After that you publish this, the Google form will be published, and here you can copy the link for your Google form and circulate to your social media where you can gather data, or online platforms from where you can collect more data, or real time data. I will show you. I will create one more Google form for a real estate survey. This is the Google form which I will create it for a survey of real estate companies, where I will add a business name, owner name, a business email ID, phone number, cities, states, business types, and so many fields. That's that's the Google form. Then now we will move towards Excel. For Excel, I will use Google Sheets. From here, I will already create a sheet where I will collect the top 10 companies data from. Here we can manage the data and add queries to it. For that we can go to that data option, create a filter. Then I want to uh, sort the data according to alphabetical order of the company's name. For that I will select the company name and sort by ascending order. As you see, the data will be sorted according to that. For go to back, we will undo, and it will be see before the data set data will be. After that, I want to select a particular data where the founded year, according to the founded year. For that I will firstly deselect all. After that I want to select a data of a company which is founded in 1990. For select I will select 1990 and click OK. There it will give me a data of a company which is founded in 1990. That's how you will analyze the data in Excel. That's all about Excel. And now we will move towards MySQL. For that I will use MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench. Wait a minute, it will loading. Uh, this is the interface of MySQL Workbench. Now we will go to a dashboard. Here, I will start a new query list. First of all, we want to create a. I will show you how to create a database, how to create a table inside a database. Then after I will show how to insert data and perform some queries on that table data. For that I will create a database name as real estate. For run that I will select on that, the database will be created. After you execute that query, you will refresh here, you can see the real estate database will be created. uh, as you see, this is unselected at this time. For the select I will write command use or a database name and select that query, and at this time I will execute from this option. You can see now the table will now the real estate database will be selected. After that I want to create a new table in that database. For that I will create a new table. I will create a new table in that data real estate database, which is the table name is real estate companies, which have fields like ID, name with the data ID with the data type int and the primary key, and the name with the varchar data type, which have value 100. The founder, founded year, headquarters, countries, employees, revenue, and business types. Now I will create that table inside my database. I will select. You can see my query will be run, and I will refresh one more time. Here my table will be created, the real estate companies. Now I want to insert data into my table. For that I will go here, select my. Now I want to insert the data into my real estate companies table. I select the first I will select that query and run it. As you see, my data will be inserted into my table. After that, I want to see my table where my data will be inserted. For that, I will write a command select star from and the name of table, which my table name is real estate companies, and a semicolon. Then I will select that as query and run it. Now you can see the table will be the table will be created, and the data which I inserted into that table as you show here. Now I want to perform some queries on that data. Suppose I want to sort data according to their revenue. For that, revenue in ascending order. For that, I will write a command select star from the name of table and then ordered by revenue in ascending order. I will select this query and run it. My query is executed, and the data in that table will be uh, ordered by show in ascending order as per the revenue. After that, I execute one more query, like give me the data uh, for the headquarters which will be in Mumbai, Maharashtra. For that, I will write select star from real estate companies where the headquarters data equals to Mumbai, Maharashtra. Or we will execute one more query, like select a real estate companies where the founder year is mean, and it means that the company have. That's all about MySQL. Let's con- let's conclude my session, demonstration on Excel, MySQL, and Google Forms, the three foundational tools in any data-driven workflow. As as you will see, data doesn't become valuable until it collect properly, stored securely, and analyzed thoughtfully. With Google Form, we will easily gather structured data. With MySQL, we will manage it efficiently, and the Excel, we will visualize and interpret it to support smart business decisions. These tools may seem simple on the surface, but when used correctly, they become incredible powerful for driving innovations, improving operations, and delivering results. Before we conclude, I will thank to my team and sir for giving me the chance for demonstration. Now I will hand over the session to our respected director, sir, respected director, Mr. Sushil Purke, sir. Sir, please feel to share your thoughts about data analytics for business innovation that can be implemented in our real world scenarios. Over to you, sir.
Hey, thank you, Team Axiom. It was awesome presentation and fabulous elaboration about all the tools and why data analysis need to be used, how it has to be used, and all. As I know, this is season one, episode one, means the elementary discussion about the data analysis, and many more season and the sessions are going to be there. I believe whoever may be the attendees of these sessions, they must get the ideas. They have that. explorations related to what is data analysis, why it has to be used, why before getting and generating any innovative ideas, we need to do the analysis, we need to collect the data, what are the possible ways to collecting, filtering, cleaning, and many things. And then as it is elementary, some of the tools Team Axiom demonstrated for performing and analyzing the data. If you are interested to have much more sessions like this, if you want to contribute, if you want to join, do connect with us. Together we can explore the various techniques and tools to produce innovative solutions to the industry. Thank you very much, guys, for your efforts to make this event fruitful. I know there are a lot of efforts you have taken in the background to make this event successful. At the same time, your explorations, your dedications is appreciated. Together, we can make this industry, and at the same time, as we are a solution providers, where we can able to provide the best solution to the industry. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you enjoyed that session well, and we'll meet again with a new innovative ideas and the new sessions on the data analysis and many more in the upcoming live stream sessions. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, sir.